Good morning guys, in front of me is HardReset.Info tool, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. But first open new message and enter keyboard. So this is your current keyboard. As you can see, I do have 3 languages here and they can be switched by tapping on word icon. But once you want to change the keyboard, tap on settings icon, go to languages and click add keyboard. Now choose the language that you want to apply. Let me pick, for example, Arabic. Then select the region and tap on done. And now you can remove unnecessary languages by tapping on edit icon. Mark those that you want to remove, tap on bin. Okay, actually I deleted Arabic, so let me just go back, pick it and remove English. So you can see the difference. And now, once you go back, you can see the current language. Obviously, if you stay with more languages, you will be able to see this word icon to switch them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.